Hi, I'm Molly, and this is my friend Ruth.
Hi.
And we're going to show you how to do a straight stitch, which is the simplest embroidery stitch there is. And if you combine them, you can make lots of different patterns. So we have an example here.
So this is one of the kitty cat pins, and as you can see, the whole face is made up of straight stitches.
Yeah, so you can really do anything with them. Okay, so let's get started. We have 2 plies of embroidery floss threaded onto our needles, and we've got some fill. Ruth, do you want to show us how to do a straight stitch?
Yeah, so the way that you do the straight stitch is you come up with your needle, and then you go back down, and then there's a straight stitch.
That's it, yeah. So it's really the simplest stitch there is, and if you put them in, you can go anywhere after that. Go to the left or to the right or to the zigzag, and let's see, what are you doing there?
I'm making a star.
Cool.
It's not done yet, but
yeah, so little flowers, whatever, the face on a kitty cat. It's all good. And then why don't we also show how we would end the straight stitch?
okay.
Okay, so I'm going to go to the back. Let's say I want to end this now. I take a few little tiny stitches in place on the back, and I'm only going through half the layer of felt, so you can't see it on the front. So just, I did 1, 2, now 3, and then I cut the end, and I'm all done. I don't have to tie a knot, and I can start over again. So that is the straight stitch. Pretty fun.